Here we have the keychain size multi-tools. This is a Leatherman squirt, sadly no longer made. A next tool mini flagship, so that's keychain. Now in the compact category we have the Roxon M2 as an example, and the SOG PowerPint. Moving up a size category we have the full size multi-tool. This is the Leatherman Wave Plus. Once you get to this size category, it's more common to see pouch carry as opposed to pocket carry, and here these are the heavy duty multi-tool category. This one is actually a Multipur clone of the Leatherman Surge, and once you get to this size it's common to see full size hex bit adapters and also T-shank adapters.